Okay, hi everyone. So the first thing
Hello.
what we will do in this CCNA batch, we will install one software which is known as Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay. So this is a free software from Cisco and I'll tell you the steps how to install. Okay. So what you have to do, you need to go to the google.com and type Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay. And directly you will come to this website, which is called NetAcad. So I just searched पैकेट ट्रेसर इंस्टॉल तो आपको ये सर्च करना है गूगल पर एंड यू विल गेट दिस वेबसाइट सिस्को पैकेट ट्रेसर नेटवर्किंग सिमुलेशन टूल. So right now you can see here introduction to packet tracer course. It is asking you to click and enroll. So when you come here introduction to packet tracer, you will see some sign up here. Okay, so I'll directly share this link with you all in the chat. Okay, so just click on the sign up English and then it will ask you to enroll now. So what I'll do, I'll put my email ID. Okay, so just hold on. I am already made an account. Yeah. So this is all. I'll put my location. I just 7 plus 13, that's 20. Okay, so this is for CAPTCHA that you are a human. Okay, so ये सब करने के बाद just click on create account. Okay, so it is also mentioning thank you for enrolling. To get started, we emailed a link to activate your account with this ID. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll go to my email ID. This email, yeah. So you can see an email from Network Academy, activate your account. Okay, so I'll click on activate account. Okay, and what is the next step? It is asking me to set a password. Okay, so I'll set a password. Okay, so please write down somewhere because if you forget, you will not able to log in. Okay, so just use the password which it will be easy for you to remember or write somewhere. So you can see we are excited to have you as a part of Network Academy, learning more about and all. So just put your date of birth and all. So whatever you want to write. Okay, so I'm 90 born. Okay, more than 5 years. No. Okay, so this is all. So I'm going to for the final step. Now my account is created. This is so simple. I'm sure guys, you will not have any issue, right? So now this class is also getting recorded. You can watch this how to install. So now the first step, go to this download packet tracer. And then I'm going to download the packet tracer from here. The latest version is 8.0.1. Okay, so I will click on the Ubuntu, Mac OS, Windows, 3 different type of packet tracer available for different versions. Okay, so I'm going to download this. I'm using Mac. Okay, so this is getting downloaded. It will take hardly 5 minutes. Depends on your internet connection. Okay, just if you are using Windows, just use the same steps for Windows also. Just click and install. Okay, so you can see how much RAM you need. If your computer has 4 GB of RAM, that's fine. If you are using Windows computer, 2 GB is also okay. But if you are using for MacBook, 4 GB is required. Yeah. So 64-bit, remember 64 or 32, which you want to download. I'm sure most of you have 64-bit. So just I'm going to install, follow the same steps and install. Okay. So just continue, and that's it. It will install because I have already installed and it will display as into your programs. And just open this packet tracer. Okay, for the first time, it will ask you the same username password, okay, which you use to create the account. तो जो आपने username password बनाया है इस ID के लिए, the same username password required to log in. Okay, so if you want that it will not ask you again and again, so let me show you by doing logout. मैं लॉगआउट ही करके दिखा देता हूं एक बार. Okay, so you can see it is asking me to log in, and make sure you enable this option. It will not ask you the username password again. Keep me logged in for 3 months. Click on the Network Academy and just use the same username password. Okay, so okay, so I'm logging with my ID. So login. Okay, just hold on, guys. I have many accounts now. I'm confused which one to log in now. Okay, that's fine. So this is all steps. Okay, so this whole tutorial will be uploaded as a different video into your portal with the name of Packet Tracer. Okay, so now I'll tell you the basics of this software. Okay, so right now you can see a window here on the this is called the devices bar. Okay, so you can see a circle shaped devices. These are called routers. Okay, this is the custom shape or what we call icons of router. So there are different number 4331, 4321, 1941, 2901. They are actually, these devices are the actual model number of Cisco devices. तो यही मॉडल एक्चुअल में मार्केट में भी अवेलेबल है. Okay, Cisco is giving you that platform where you will experience the same kind of router and switches practicals, okay, or labs. So why we use this software? Because it's easy and handy. Suppose now let's do the first very basic lab today. Okay, you can see a router here. There is a switch also. There are many type of different switches, which we will understand during the course. And there is a device which are old, which is not longer used, which is called hub. Just hold on, guys. Okay, sorry, yeah. So there are, so you can see this first icon, guys. ये वाला icon जो दिख रहा है आपको, there, this is the icon of all network devices. So when you click here, you will say down this, you will see router, switches, hub, wireless devices. So the second icon is of, the first icon is network devices, the second icon end devices. So now all end devices comes here, like computer, laptop, server, printer. So this is another thing, like if you are interested for some kind of automation, IoT, Internet of Things, these are some kind of sensors and all. Okay, iske kuch, this is not related to CCNA, but still you can check it out. So this is connections where you have different type of cables. Like this is a fiber cable, this is a Ethernet cable. Okay, and there is a folder called miscellaneous. तो यहाँ पे एक miscellaneous folder है. So there are few devices like wireless PC. There is a laptop wireless. Okay, so these devices have some wireless capability. Okay, so this is all. So the first is network devices. Under this, you will see router, switch, hub, wireless, firewall, these kind of devices. So under the end devices, you will see end devices like laptop, computer, server, and all. Okay, so these are the things. So any questions, guys, till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Saurabh, Sonu, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, then turn off your mics, please. Okay, so very simple. And so right now in this packet tracer, you will see two windows. One is called logical, one is called physical. Okay, physical window is for
हेलो
those. Yes, Rahul.
सर थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट के लिए मेरी कनेक्शन चली गई थी, जो आप बता रहे थे ना, ये राउटर
हम्म।
स्विचेस और
अच्छा
वो
अच्छा, ठीक है,
पीसी,
मैं दोबारा
एक
बता
बार।
देता हूँ.
जी।
या सो दिस इज नेटवर्क डिवाइस. ये जो पहला आइकन दिख रहा है ना आपको, ये नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस का है. ओके, सो
Hello, Atul. Hello, sir.
या संतोष.
Sir, one my friend is not able to connect this meeting, sir.
Then shall I cancel the
He's
class?
also new. No, he's also new to joining, but he's
Okay,
a problem getting some problem in mobile, so he not
so
try
then
to.
he can watch video recording. We can't stop this class now.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Ask him to try again. Okay, so you can see this is the first icon, network devices. Okay, so there are some routers here, different type of devices. Okay, just they have different kind of RAM, ROM. Like in Windows, when you buy a laptop, you have i3, i5, i7. तो जैसे हमारे कंप्यूटर अलग अलग तरह के आते हैं, वैसे ही राउटर भी अलग अलग तरह के आते हैं. देर आर मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ डिवाइसेस. ओके, Bashir, connect audio via computer option. Okay, so under this you will see some switches. There are again different type of switches. Okay, so under this end devices, this is the second type of category where you will see all the computer, laptop, printer, servers and all. So this is the option of all the cables, different types of cables. Okay, so after that you will see here there are two windows. One is logical, one is physical. So when you are going to do practical in the logical window, तो जब आप logical window में practical करेंगे, so when you are going to, suppose I am going to take two laptops, so one laptop, okay, so again you have to click the device from here and drop the icon here. तो यहाँ से drag करके यहाँ पे drop करना. So you can see there are two laptops. You can zoom in also from the above option or by using Control ++ button. Okay, so you can see here two laptops I have taken two laptops, and this is a cable. Okay, this is connections. So when I click on connections, so please use this first option because you are beginner right now. So you do not know about these cables. तो अभी आप beginner हो तो आप सबसे पहला option use करें. This is called auto connection. Automatically, the packet tracer will help you to connect the devices. So click on the connection. So first option, and then click here and then click here. So automatically you can see the two devices connected. So you can see when you use the logical window, you will see the design also. तो जब आप लॉजिकल विंडो यूज करते हैं तो आपको यहाँ पे डिवाइसेस भी दिखते हैं कौन कौन से लिए. इट्स लाइक it is also showing you the diagram or topology of the diagram. But if you do the same practical in physical window, okay, let me delete. How to delete? You can see there is an option delete. So click here. Okay, and click here. Automatically the device is deleted. So how to take that same option again? So use this option, select by default. This is select option, which is by default to select the cables, router and all. So what I'll do now, I'll go to the physical window. I'll show you the physical window now. Physical window. So when you go inside physical window, you will see one city. तो जब आप physical window पे जाते हैं तो आपको एक city दिखता है यहाँ पे. Okay. So this physical window is showing me home city. So when I click on home city, it is showing me there is a corporate office. So when I click inside the corporate office, you will see some main wiring closet. Basically, this is a server room. Okay, this is my server room. Okay, so when I click on the server room, you will see a blank. There is nothing. But when I'm going to take laptops, let's take two laptops. Okay, so you can see there is a bench table now, where you will see a laptop, which is actually showing you the physical hardware kind of design. Okay, so use another laptop. So you can see two laptops with the real feeling. Okay, and when you Control plus, just zoom in, and how to connect the cable. So you can use the auto cable. Okay, so there is no auto cable in this mode. तो इधर ऑटो केबल नहीं मिलता है. Okay, this option does not have auto cable. There you need to understand, to connect these devices, this is the cable which is called copper straight through. For to connect same devices, we use copper crossover also. Okay, so crossover this cable which is called copper crossover. Okay, and this is a copper straight. So जो cross वाला cable होता है, the crossover cable is used to connect different same devices. ओके तो ये केबल हमारा सेम डिवाइसेस पे यूज होता है, क्रॉस ओवर. सो बोथ आर सेम, यस करेक्ट, दोनों सेम डिवाइस हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द कॉपर केबल, दिस कॉपर क्रॉस ओवर थर्ड नंबर केबल. आई विल पुट द केबल इनटू दिस पोर्ट. यू कैन सी, लेट मी जूम इन मोर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू connect the cable here and the second point click here. So you can see both the laptops have connected together. Cool, right? So this is the, and automatically you can see automatically the topology also built in logical. तो जब आप physical पे काम करते हो तो logical अपने आप बन जाता है, and when you are working on logical, automatically it creates a physical also. Okay, so the two laptops are connected. So once you know the design, once you know how the computer are connected together, so you can come back to the logical window and just use this notepad file and type any IP address. Okay, I'm sure you know little bit about IP. Rohit, Ankit, any doubt?
Hello.
Ankit, Chaube and Rohit.
Sir, what is this FA0? What does it stand for?
This is a port. This is the Ethernet port called fast Ethernet. Because
Okay.
most of, like in networking, you have one type of port which is called Ethernet port, which is 10 Mbps. मतलब वो 10 MB से ऊपर की speed नहीं मिलती है. So this
Okay.
was in older laptops or older computers. Now we have fast Ethernet, which is 100 Mbps. Okay, there is another one nowadays, Giga Ethernet, which is 1 Gbps.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
So this FA means this is a short form of fast Ethernet, means the computer, both computer are connected with 100 Mbps port.
Okay.
Okay, so how I'm going to check both computers are connected to each other or not. I'm going to assign the IP. So you can use this notepad file and I'm going to type here that I'm going to give one IP. So tell me your favorite IP, Ajit Kumar Singh.
192.
127.
Okay, so 1.1 I'll take this side and I'll take 1.2 this side. But if I use 152 1.1.1, can I connect both devices?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
because
sir.
you can see,
IP conflict.
yeah, not IP conflict. Basically, they both are in different network. You can see, I'll
Yes, sir.
explain you class A, B, C, whatever. But even if you are a beginner, you can easily identify they are not from same group, right? Both,
Yes, sir.
everything is different and they cannot communicate with each other because both are in different network.
Yes, sir. A classic.
I'll explain in advanced classes how you will identify they are in same or different. But right now, just use the last digit different, 1.2. Now it looks like they are in same network, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. So guys who just joined, please turn off your mics.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah, Mod.
Yes, sir. हम अभी नए स्टूडेंट हैं सर, आज ही फर्स्ट डे है मेरा.
तो अभी लेट क्यों आए हो क्लास में 20 मिनट?
एक्चुअली मेरा जूम इंस्टॉल नहीं था और मैंने अभी
अच्छा,
जस्ट इंस्टॉल किया सर.
चलो ठीक है. अब देखो, मैंने अभी 2 लैपटॉप लिए हैं, शुरू से वीडियो देख लेना दोबारा, ठीक है?
ओके सर.
आज
और
की
जस्ट ये कौन सा डे है सर? आज कौन सा डे है?
आज हमारा, आप ये समझो, पहला दिन है. 2 क्लासेस मैंने डेमो लिए थे, वो आपके पोर्टल में होंगे, वो भी देख लेना कल सुबह.
ओके सर.
ठीक है? हाँ जी
ओके, यानी फर्स्ट आज स्टार्ट हुआ सर.
सर, मैंने बोला मैंने 2 डेमो सेशन लिए थे जो यूट्यूब में डाले थे हमने, वो भी देख लेना.
ओके सर।
हाँ जी, अभी एक हफ्ता भी एडमिशंस होंगे मेरे बैच में गाइस. ओके, so these kind of things will happen, so do not worry, just focus on the content. Okay,
So we already
sir.
get the 5-day video link, so that.
yeah, I'll share with
Mm.
all of them. I
Yes,
think
sir.
most of them they have not seen,
सर
but yes, Saurabh.
सर ये सर जैसे लैपटॉप आप 2 लैपटॉप लिए हैं, जैसे 10
Mhm.
लैपटॉप लेने हैं एक साथ, तो सर क्या 1 बाय 1 करना पड़ेगा ड्रैग कि कैसे ये
I'll explain when you are going to do bulk configuration, but yes,
Okay,
to
okay.
take step by step. If you want many devices, एक साथ अगर आपको device लेने हैं, so use control button. Use control button, select the device, and you can click n number of times.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Which button? Control and then click. Control and click. Okay.
ओके सर, ओके.
And if I want to select all the device, okay, like this, and you can delete from here.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Okay, so those who joined recently, so what we have done, we have taken 2 laptops. Okay, so this is a software which I'm using. This is called Packet Tracer. Okay, so first 15 minutes we have explained how to download this software. Okay, please watch the video. I'm going to upload this video within next 2 hours. If you are late, like अगर आप late सोते हो, if you sleep late, I'll be going to upload this video by 11 or 11:30. Okay, you can watch this later on also. So right now you can see 2 laptops I have connected. Okay, so how I connected, just let me show you again. So I have taken 2 laptops or PC like this from here. This is the icon, and then the cable connection. Use this cable. This is the option, cable wala option ye hai. Okay, click here and you can see 2 computers connected. The same way we connected these 2 laptops.
सर ये बाकी की केबल्स किस लिए हैं?
ये करेंगे यार, करेंगे, सीखेंगे. ये different है. Suppose I want to connect, this is a cable which is used to connect computers with switches. There is a cable for longer distance which is called fiber cable. There is a very old type of cable which is called serial cable, which has very low speed. Okay, but still you need to understand this. Okay,
ओके सर.
so you will understand all these things, don't worry. Okay, so I'm going to give this IP. How to give IP in this Packet Tracer computer? So I'm going to click on the laptop. I'll go to the desktop option. Then I go to the IP configuration. Then I'm going to type the IP. So there are 2 methods to give IP. So we will use static. I will explain you DHCP later on. So I'm going to give the IP. What is the IP of my first laptop 3? 192.168.1.1. Okay, so when you click here, automatically the computer has given this computer a subnet mask. Okay, what is this subnet mask? Basically, this means this is a network part. Okay, how many network bits we have? I'll explain these things also. But अभी के लिए आप ये समझो कि हर कंप्यूटर का एक सबनेट मास्क होता है. Every computer, every machine in the network has subnet mask which represent the network bits. मतलब ये सबनेट मास्क हमें ये बताता है कि ये कौन से ग्रुप का कंप्यूटर है. It's like this IP belongs to which network. Okay. So 1.1, 255.255.255.0, and I'm going to take 1.2. So just click on the computer, desktop, IP configuration, 1.2. You can see automatically this computer also has taken subnet mask. Can you see this, guys? Both computer has taken the same subnet mask. दिख रहा है दोनों कंप्यूटर में हमारा यही था ना सबनेट मास्क.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm just giving you overview right now. So both computer understand. So 255 कितने ग्रुप में आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे? You are getting 3255, right?
3 octet.
Yeah, 3 octet or 3 groups we have for 255. It means both computer are saying the up to 3 groups. Up to 3 groups is their network ID. So अब देखो दोनों का पहले 3 ग्रुप मैच हो रहा नहीं हो रहा है. All both computers, like first 3 groups are matching. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if this is matching, or first 3 bits are matching both computers, it means they are in same network. Okay, they are in
Same network.
yes, because we have how many 255? 3255. So how many groups they will check?
3.
Yes. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to to laptop 3. Okay, so laptop 3. So how I will check the another computer is connected to me or not? I'll go to this command prompt option. I will type ping. Ping is a tool to check the connectivity. So what is the different device IP? सामने वाले device का IP क्या है?
192.168.1.2.
2. Yes. So you can see I'm getting a ping response, right? So this is called ping response. You can see replies coming, and we sent. हमने 4 पैकेट भेजे. We sent 4 packets and we received
4 packets.
So what are these? They are not ping. These are not your sending packets. They are replies. तो पहला कंप्यूटर जो पिंग कर रहा है, that you are getting replies. Always you cannot see your send whatever packet you send. तो हम इस कंप्यूटर से इस कंप्यूटर पर we are sending 4 packets, and this computer is replying me how many packets? 4 packets. So this is in Windows, this is the by default.
Yes.
Okay, 4 packets is by default, but if I want to send 10 packet, so what you will type? N is the number, how many packet you want to send? 10. So now how many packets will go?
10.
Yes.
And
तो आपने सामने वाले डिवाइस को पिंग करना है. So right now, like if I want to test Google is connected to me or not, I'll open my command prompt in my laptop and I will type here ping google.com, and how many packets I'm sending to Google?
4.
No, this is a Linux based operating system like Mac. Like you need to stop. This is continuously ping happening in this device. So you can control C to stop it. So how many packets I sent?
14 packets.
14.
14 packets sent, 14 packet received means 0% loss. तो कोई भी पैकेट हमारा ड्रॉप नहीं हुआ है. ओके, so there is no packet loss. Okay, here is there any loss?
No, sir.
No, sir.
0% loss. Okay, tell me what will happen if I type any wrong IP here? Will the device ping?
No.
Invalid
Will
command.
not.
No, sir.
Okay, so
command.
yeah, you will get one messages, replies, requested timeout.
timeout.
Yes.
Okay, it means this computer does not able to find this device. Okay, requested timeout का मतलब होता है नेटवर्क में डिवाइस मिल ही नहीं रहा है.
सर
Hmm.
कभी कभी होस्ट एंड डिसेबल भी आ जाता है सर, वो कब आता है सर?
That comes when your router do not know where to go.
यहाँ पे तो राउटर को यूज ही नहीं है सर.
हाँ, तो अभी आएगा ना चच्चा.
ओके सर.
हेलो,
मैं चाचा नहीं हूँ सर.
अभी नाम नहीं दिख रहा आपका, लिनोवो दिख रहा है मुझे.
हेलो सर, आशीष बोल रहा है सर.
या टेल मी.
सर ये आईपी एड्रेस आपने कैसे दिया है सर?
ओके, दोबारा दिखाता हूँ. सो देखो, फर्स्ट क्लिक ऑन द लैपटॉप.
नहीं सर, ये नहीं, वो ठीक है, लेकिन आईपी एड्रेस आपने लिखा कैसे? जैसे 192.
अच्छा, ये टेक्स्ट फाइल है ऊपर देखो, दिख रहा है ऊपर? This is a text file. I am just typing this for my better notes. That now, suppose I want to give 1.1.1 to this computer and this 1.1.1.2 to this laptop.
Okay sir.
You can delete this note files also from here.
नहीं सर, ये सर जैसे आपने 192.168.1. लिखा है
ये
ना सर?
आपकी मर्जी, आप कुछ भी लिखो यार.
हाँ, यही पूछ रहा था सर थोड़ा.
हाँ, ये just I have taken a random IP because many of you know this IP because maybe you are using broadband or some kind of connection.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay,
Sir,
तो
it
ज्यादातर
depends on
ये
the
IP यूज होता है.
network.
Yeah.
So it depends on the network or what? IP addresses.
No. You can use any IP. See, if we talk about IPs, there are from 1 to 230, 223. You can use any network.
No, if
Okay,
they are in the same network, the two devices, So they have. Is it compulsory to having a different IPs?
Yes, yes. Because if you have same IP, they do not have. They are not different, right? They will feel like they are like this is called IP address overlap. If you try to ping the IP, it will not ping other IP. You will ping your IP.
Okay.
आप समझ रहे हो? Like if you have same IP and if you
So
how you will test?
So every end device has different IP by
Yes,
itself. Or
every end device have different IPs in the network.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it doesn't denoted by the ISP. I mean the service provider.
No, no, no. We are talking about LAN here.
Okay.
That is private IP.
Yeah, this is private IP, and there the public IP we get from internet that that is like given by ISP.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, what I recommend you all, like there is a 5 days network fundamental videos. Okay, I'll be sharing that link to you all. Okay, so or maybe I'll ask my team to share with you all. So please watch those basic videos also. Okay, it will help you.
Okay, sir.
हेलो सर
हाँ जी.
सर
Tell
आप
me.
ये आईपी एड्रेस नहीं पढ़ाएंगे क्या?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
And sir, I mean, we use a broadband, so every user have the same same IP of the router. So doesn't it conflict in the LAN?
Yes, because these are private. Okay, this is private. When they go outside, okay, so let me tell you. Okay, it will be better if we will discuss this in IP address because, but I'll give you overview. So suppose this is your home, this is my home, this is another candidate, Dipankar home. Okay, so maybe we have a laptop, Wi-Fi, different devices, and there is a router which is kind of a Wi-Fi which is given by Airtel. Okay, we have one router here which is also given by Airtel. There is a third home which is given by Airtel. Okay, Airtel has given the internet connection to all of these 3 home user, right? Yes, correct?
Yeah, that's true.
तो ये तीनों connection Airtel ने अलग-अलग घरों में दिया हुआ है. Okay, so maybe at your home you are getting 192.168.1.2. The other user also getting the same IP at his home. Okay, maybe the third user also getting the same IP. So now your question is, so is there any conflict because I'm using 1.2 at my home? Your friend is also using the same IP at his home, and there is a third person who is using the same IP at his home, right? So there is no conflict because all these devices in my LAN network means down the router, you all have these IPs are called private IPs. तो इन सारे IPs को क्या बोलते हैं? So these are private IPs. They do not go to internet. So do not go to internet. No internet. They cannot access internet. So internet IPs are different, which is known as public IPs, which can access internet.
Hello, sir.
Let me complete this. Yogesh, Bhupender, mic off rakhiye, please. Okay, so private IP where you do not get internet, in public IP where you get internet. So you do not get public IP at your laptop, you actually get public IP on this device. Suppose you get 200.1.1.1. In second router, maybe you have different IP. In the third router, you have different IP. So these IPs are public IPs. Can you see this, guys?
Yeah.
दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so all these home user, when they will go to internet, they all are going to use this IP to reach internet. So all this second home devices will use this IP to reach internet, and all these devices will use this IP to reach internet. Means multiple devices, multiple private IPs uses one public IP to internet to access the internet.
Okay, so this IP will be provided by the ISP only. And
Yeah,
it will
public
be-
IP is on your router, which is given by ISP.
Okay, so will it be same or it will keep changing?
It will keep changing.
Okay.
If you are using broadband or shared bandwidth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, every end user having one IP permanent.
Every home user will have public IP. जितने भी दुनिया में इस टाइम घर हैं, जिनके भी घर पे इंटरनेट लगे हैं, उनके सबके डिफरेंट पब्लिक आईपी।
Yes, sir, but that is permanent. I mean, long life.
No, this is not permanent. Do not pay your bill, you will not get it. Next. Then.
Yes, sir. Like.
Sir, in case of local service provider, they also give us the local public IP.
Yes. All of them, they give public IPs.
No, but they are charging 400 to 500 and they are providing public IP. That means the cost is very low of public
Yeah,
IP.
they are dynamic IPs. They are dynamic IPs. Okay, they are not giving a fixed IP.
No, dynamic means that means they have purchased from its.
No, they have taken internet connection from somewhere and very low. If I have to check because I never run those local ISPs, but most of them, if you talk about, I have used almost all different vendors. तो मैंने ज्यादातर सारे ISP के connection use किए हैं. Like if you talk about Airtel or maybe some Reliance, anyone. So they all have different IPs on their broadband devices.
नहीं, different IP तो होता है सर, लेकिन वो सपोज पब्लिक IP दे रहा है, मान लीजिए 3 घरों में, उसके पास कम से कम 500-600 कनेक्शन होते हैं, या एक सोसाइटी में भी 50-60 कनेक्शन होते हैं.
हाँ, तो उसको पूल लेना पड़ेगा ना.
तो
You need to buy the
तो
/24 pool which gives you 256 IP.
पुल अगर वो खरीदेगा भी तो बहुत ज्यादा कॉस्ट होगा.
नहीं, इतना कॉस्ट नहीं होता डियर. आपको क्या लगता है कितना खर्चा होगा इसका?
मुझे लगता है कि पब्लिक आईपी सपोज एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर खरीदती है तो बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पास 3-4 ही पब्लिक आईपी होते हैं.
नहीं, वो डिपेंड करता है कस्टमर टू कस्टमर, बट /24 काइंड ऑफ विच गिव्स a 256 IP. I'll explain this. तो ये 250-300 IP आपको 50-60 हजार रुपए साल पे मिल जाती है.
सर,
हाँ जी.
अगर मुझे डायनेमिक डीएचसीपी के थ्रू कोई आईपी मिलता है तो उसका लीज लेंथ वेरी करता है क्या आईएसपी के अकॉर्डिंग?
Dynamic means I didn't get you. Please ask again.
Like if my system is configured according to the DHCP, so I will be getting a dynamic IP, right? Not ISP. So
yeah, your router is configured.
Yes.
Not your computer. आपका ये जो router होता है, this device is getting the DHCP IP from the ISP.
So what would be the lease length? Will it change according to the
lease
ISP?
line is nothing. This is just a connectivity. If you want to use your own IP, that you can use also your own IP. Lease line means there are different type of lease lines. Dedicated lease line, private lease line. Okay. तो ये कनेक्शन होता है. आप इसमें खुद की भी IP यूज कर सकते हो और ISP की भी यूज कर सकते हो.
नो सर, व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग कि अगर मैं आईपी कॉन्फ़िग करता हूँ ना, तो अगर आईपी कॉन्फ़िग ऑल अगर करता हूँ तो मुझे एक अपनी डीएचसीपी की जो आईपी है, डीएचसीपी के थ्रू जो असाइन हुई IPv4 वो दिखता है. उसके नीचे उसका लीज लेंथ लिखाया रहता है कि कितने टाइम के लिए. तो जैसे
That is not lease line यार.
लीज टाइम, लीज लेंथ सर.
Leased time होता है. It's not length.
लीज टाइम होता है सर वो तो.
यस.
Okay, वही क्वेश्चन ही गलत पूछ रहे हो और कंफ्यूज कर रहे हो ना. ओके, सो यहाँ पर देखिए, जब भी आप कोई भी आईपी मिलता है ना, सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस इन डीएचसीपी टॉपिक. ओके, सो जस्ट डीएचसीपी में पढ़ेंगे. जस्ट व्हेन आई विल बी गोइंग टू टेक डीएचसीपी, आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन. ओके
सर, लीज लाइन में आपने बोला कि अपना ही आईपी हम रख सकते हैं.
यस, विल डिस्कस.
तो सर ये फिर इंटरनेट पर कैसे वो कम्युनिकेट करेगा?
तो इंटरनेट के लिए नहीं होती चच्चा लीज लाइन. यही मैं बता रहा था. लीज लाइन इज नॉट ओनली फॉर इंटरनेट. व्हेन यू कनेक्ट योर दिल्ली एंड मुंबई ब्रांच, व्हेन यू कनेक्ट योर हेड ऑफिस विद ब्रांच ऑफिस, डू यू नीड इंटरनेट राइट नाउ?
पॉइंट सर.
Tell me, if you want to connect your Delhi branch with Mumbai branch, do you need internet connectivity?
No sir.
So this type of connectivity is called private connection, which is also known as private leased line. You do not need. Yeah.
Point same मतलब thing है private lease line.
Yes.
तो सर एक्चुअल में मैं सर एनआईसी में कुछ दिन काम किया था, तो वहाँ लीज लाइन ही होता था, बीएसएनएल के थ्रू दिया गया था.
अभी मैं टॉपिक करा लूं, करते हैं बातें यार ना. हाँ, ऐसे करना है तो 6 महीने का एक सीसीएनए बैच है मेरा, उसमें आ जाना. ओके, सो लेट्स कनेक्ट 2 PCs here. Okay, so I'm going to connect 2 PCs. So the same practical what we have done on the packet tracer, I'm showing you in the racks also. Okay. So what I'll do, like already, like if you open this lab, I'm sure most of you got this lab access. If anybody do not got it, please go to this learn portal. Okay. And go to this support option. ठीक है, तो सपोर्ट ऑप्शन में यहाँ पे आप टिकट रेस कर दो, नहीं तो सुबह 10 से लेके 7 बजे तक from 10 AM to 7 PM you can call on this number and ask them that you have not got the lab access, or just raise the ticket from here. Okay, just very simple, just put your lab or like lab access something, but you will be getting for sure. Okay, मिल ही जाएगा जल्दी से जल्दी.
Sir,
So now we have 2 PC lab here. You can see there is a lab, guys. दिख रहा है यहाँ पे 2 PC?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there is a 2 PC. So when I click on this option, okay, so there is another option here, open. So when I click on this open, so now you will see 2 Windows machine. These are real Windows machines inside the labs. So you will turn on the start and start here. तो मेरी 2 विंडोज ओपन हो चुकी हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू सो टेल मी विच आईपी, फर्स्ट पीसी विच आईपी आई विल गिव, द सेम आईपी राइट, पीसी, तो वही आईपी ले लेंगे. सो दिस इज PC1, दिस इज PC2. सो व्हाट इज द पासवर्ड ऑफ दिस विंडोज मशीन? दिस इज टेस्ट 1 2 3. सो जब आप इन्हें रन करेंगे, हाउ आई स्टार्टेड दिस, राइट क्लिक एंड स्टार्ट, एंड व्हेन यू कंप्लीट योर लैब, राइट क्लिक एंड स्टॉप. ओके. So PC1, so what is the password? Test, T is in the uppercase 1 2 3. Okay, so the second PC, test 1 2 3. मैं थोड़ा ना म्यूट कर रहा हूँ यार थोड़ी देर के लिए ना, I am getting background noise. So PC1 and there is a PC2, right? So the first computer here, so you can see the first PC I am giving IP. How to give IP? So you can go to the control panel, okay, and then you can go to this option called network and sharing center, and then you go to this option change adapter settings. Okay, this is a long process. So what I recommend you, just go to this window button and type ncpa.cpl. This is the short form to directly go to the network connections. You can pen down also ncpa.cpl, and when you enter this directly, you come into this folder and you can see local area connection, which is on the blue. It means the cable is connected. I'll go to the properties, right click properties. Okay, and click on the IPv4. Okay, and type the IP. What IP? 192.168.1.1, and here also you get 3255. Okay, okay, close. Okay, so the second PC. Okay, so this is all GUI. So if you want to give a static IP in Windows 7, so there is some commands, guys, you can check in free time. Okay, तो इसको क्या बोल देते हैं कि from command line, static IP from CMD. तो ये एक अलग से एक तरीका होता है अगर आप मैनुअली देना चाहते हैं. Okay, you can see NetSH interface something. So NetSH is the static IP CMD NetSH. This is another method if you want to give IP with the command. तो आप देख सकते हो मैनुअली आप यहां से दे सकते हैं, कॉन्फ़िगर स्टैटिक IP in Windows machines. Okay, but this is like I hardly see anyone to give these because Windows machines are your GUI. This is not Linux, but still you can give NetSH this command, NetSH interface. Okay, so यहाँ पर आप जा सकते हैं and you can go to the command prompt and you can type here NetSH. Okay, you are inside the NetSH and you can see here there are a lot of commands and inside the NetSH. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to set the IP. Okay, you can use this NetSH interface. तो यहां से आप चेक कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे देखो इंटरफेस है, दिस इज द NetSH interface. Even I forgot because we do not use this too much. Okay, ये इंडस्ट्री में भी बहुत रेयर यूज होती हैं चीजें, but still for your general knowledge you can use this command net, the same what I have shown you. Okay, you can see NetSH, then IPv4. Okay, now it is asking me to add, or you can see show. So there are many commands in the Windows laptop also, but आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. So you can give your IP in this manner also. Connection name, how to get the connection name, let me check. IPv4, yeah, IPv4 set is the command. Then it is asking me to type address. Yeah, so that address name is, this is my name. Okay, so नाम क्या है हमारे डिवाइस का कनेक्शन का, so you can check ncpa.cpl. ओके, तो यहाँ देखो ये नाम आ रहा है ना डिवाइस का. ओके, सो यू नीड टू कॉपी दिस फ्रॉम हियर, लोकल एरिया कनेक्शन. ओके, द सेम वे सेट लोकल, set address name hyphen. Okay, so you can use a question mark, sorry, this local area connection. तो आप ये पूरा यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ना full. So paste, I think even I'm not able to type, just hold on. Guys, maybe this is our lab. I'm not able to do this. Just hold on. यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन होता है ना मार्क. ये किसी ने पूछ लिया इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ, नहीं तो जरूरत नहीं थी इसकी. So then you can give this IP static. ठीक है, you got to know my static. So what is the IP I want to give? 192.168.1.2 and 255.255.255.0 is my mask. So you can see I have assigned the IP. And how to verify I have given the IP? You can go to this ncpa.cpl. Okay, you can go to the properties. यहाँ पे जाके देखोगे तो ये देखो IP अपने आप डल गया. तो कौन सा इजी मेथड था वो तुम देख लो. This is the notes. Let me show. This is the only command, NetSH something. Okay, so let me share this link with you all. Just hold on. Okay, तो ये वाले लिंक से देख लेना ये कमांड. Okay, so even we got to know like how to give IP from the command line. Okay, this is the whole command, NetSH interface IPv4 set address name, local area connection static, and then IP. So we have assigned here also. So how to verify ping 192.168.1.2. तो जिन लोगों को डिफिकल्ट लगा है ये चीज कि ये क्या लिख दिया है, so you can use the simple method. Actually some student, like one student asked me, so I thought to cover it. बट इंडस्ट्री में ऐसी ये विंडोज पे कमांड लाइन बहुत रेयर यूज होता है. ओके, इट्स वेरी रेयर यू विल सी द assigning IP in Windows machines. Linux is important, but in Windows you can normally give the IP. So you can see we did the practical here also. So once you finish your practical, you can close the windows from here. Okay, and you can close, right click stop device, right click stop device. You can close the lab from here. You can see close lab. Okay, so you can sign out it from here. Okay, after every task, please log in and log out from the lab because the timer is going behind. Okay, so this is how you do the step of this basic lab. So what I'll do now, guys, now I'm going to share with you. तो एक चीज दे रहा हूं मैं आपको, बहुत सिंपल सी है. So what you have to do, install the packet tracer. Okay, and I'm going to also make all your notes in this software which is called Notion. ठीक है, तो हमारे सारे notes यहीं बनने वाले हैं. So I'm going to make the notes. Just hold on. CCNA October. No, there is no one. तो यहाँ पे हम अपने notes बना लेते हैं. So CCNA October 2021. This is the note file. Okay, so the link will be same. Okay, तो पूरे batch के duration पे the link will be same. Do not ask me this link again and again. Okay, so this link will be also in your Learn portal. If you miss this link, you can always check your Learn portal. So the day wise, I am going to make notes here. Okay, so day 1. Okay, so connect to PC. Okay, so what lab we have done? So just try to use the same method. Okay, so connect two machines and ping. So this is the objective of your first day class. Objective means what is the goal of the lab. Okay, so use packet tracer to accomplish this task. ठीक है, तो आपका ये task है. And try to check if it is pinging or not, and then you are good to go. ठीक है, so एक homework lab दे रहा हूं अभी आपको मैं एक. Okay. Okay, so you can see here, guys. अभी एक lab है ये. Okay, so you can see a very big lab. Okay, so I'll share this file. Just download this file and open this. Okay, so you will see here. I do not have to do anything. Just there is a different window. तो इस window के साथ एक और window open होगा. You will see a different window here. So this is just a network representation. Okay, this lab is just to understand what's going on. So you can see identify common components of a network. Try to understand what is this device. So you can see when you click here, this is a computer. Okay, so what is this? When you click here, you will see this is a switch. Okay, so you can see a diagram where all computer connected with a switch. Then there is another device which is also a switch. Then there is a device called router. You can see the device also. Okay, ये router लगा हुआ है देखो. So you can see this is a Cisco 2900 series. Okay, so you can see there is another department where the computer is connected with the phone. You can see this is called IP phone and it is connected with a switch. Switch is connected to router. So everywhere you can see here, हर जगह अगर आप देखोगे तो हर जगह, like most of the locations, you will see this is your central branch, this is your branch, right? And this is your home office. Okay, this is your home office. Okay, so explain the purpose of devices, understand why we have these type of devices, understand what is the difference between LAN and WAN. Okay, so try to understand these things. Okay, how many LAN networks do you see, guys? कितने LAN network दिख रहे हैं अभी आपको?
3 sir.
3 sir.
Yes. Yes, yes. So one is your home LAN network, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. One is your branch office network.
Another one is the
This is your central network. Okay. So how many LAN networks we have? We have 3 LAN networks. Okay. How many WAN networks do you see?
1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir.
1.
Sir. Only
Just
one.
just count the connection between routers.
4
One,
router. 4
two,
4, sir.
yeah, almost. So because this is your one connection, like 2 connection, R4 is connected to internet, R2 is also connected. So they are 2 connection. So R2 is also connected to upper this internet and this also, right?
Triple wala 5. Totally 4.
4. No, that is going to modem.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So you have 4 connections here.
हेलो सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन था सर.
जी पूछिए.
हाँ सर, अभी ये जो लैब दिखाई आपने, उसके बाद ट्रबल शूटिंग जो आप मतलब उसमें भी मिलेंगे सर? ट्रबल शूटिंग आप देंगे, मतलब ट्रबल शूटिंग जो आएंगी बैच?
पहले सीख तो ले भाई. ट्रबल शूटिंग कौन करता है? जिसको नेटवर्क आता है.
ओके.
राइट. If you understand how to build your labs, troubleshooting, there is no one who can teach you troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is something which you will learn yourself by doing more labs. Okay. And what is my way of teaching? I give a lot of labs to students. So troubleshooting तो वैसी अच्छी हो जाएगी ना.
Okay.
Right. Troubleshooting is not a skill. Troubleshooting is a, like, this is your self discovery. When you will be going to do a lot of labs, तभी वो आएगी कि कैसे कैसे चीजों को फिक्स करोगे. राइट.
Okay.
Okay guys, so see you all tomorrow. Okay.
Atul sir, before leaving, I would like to ask one thing. Atul sir, so if a switch will have a MAC address, right? It will learn the MAC address. So suppose I have a switch which is having 4 ports. In a first port, I have connected one system, and in the 4th port. And later on, if I interchange it, how much time that switch will take to learn that MAC address? So if I have interchanged
Instantly, but automatically it will not learn. You need to generate some traffic. Like computer से कोई ना कोई traffic भेजना पड़ेगा. Then the the switch is going to understand the MAC address. So till the time you do not send any traffic, the switch will not learn MAC address.
Okay. Okay.